Hi guys. So right now I have my jacket here. It's like winter waterproof jacket, white. I like white color, but you know, one thing about white is it gets dirty really quick. So I did wash it with my washing machine once before, but it doesn't look better at all. You can tell like here, I don't know if you guys can see, it's really dirty. Look how dirty is it. You can see all the, that's really dirty, right? So it's gonna go in here to look. This is crazy. Whatever liquid, dishwasher liquid, whatever it is, I don't know how is that called, but it's using for cleaning the dicks. Then some water. Use half cup of vinegar. Oh, that's a lot. Half cup of water, warm water. So what's that? 1/8 soap. Now just mix it together. Now you just put the mix that you already had on wherever you want to clean up your pot. Some here. It's a really dirty one, so I just dump it right into the liquid. I just let it sit in the liquid. So after you put the mix on, just let it sit for about 10 minutes. Okay? After let it sit for a while, now it's time to clean up. So I just do it real quick on this area to let you guys see, because before it's looked really bad. It looks horrible right now to be honest. Just clean it up. Now just wash it a little bit so I can let you guys see the difference after we clean it up. Oh, so far so good though. Look better. That it's wet. And this is my coat after I wash the washing machine and dry it. So I bring it under the normal sunlight so you guys can see it better, because like my light inside the house is like it. So look at this. Clean, huh? Nice. And remember this already has a lot of like makeup yellow stuff here. It's all gone. Awesome, right? No more dirty. Clean hand. Perfect.